Statements made by the Working People's Alliance member Tekumo Gunse at a rally in Buxton have ignited harsh condemnations from civil society. The Guyana Human Rights Association was not among the organizations that condemned the utterances of the WPA member. According to the GHRA head, Mike McCormack, his organization has not apprised itself of the situation surrounding the racially inflammatory remarks made by Gunse. However, Attorney General Anil Nandlall said that the deafening silence from the human rights body on this issue speaks volumes of its impartiality when it hastily chastised the government's procurement of the electronic ID card.
This organization that purports to represent human rights, of which the right to life is perhaps the most important one, stays silent, up to date. He sees it more important to criticize the government on the issue of procurement rather than condemn a man who is inciting racial war in the country.
The GHRA flagged the government for failing to host public consultations and devising legislation for data protection, among other concerns. Nandlall said the body must set its priorities straight and handle issues even-handedly. The GHRA, in a statement, raised concerns of transparency and accountability in relation to the sourcing of the e-governance project. The Legal Affairs Minister also flagged the GHRA for its denial of breaching the Companies Act after being registered for 40 years. According to him, since the organization's establishment, it has failed to file its annual returns. He said the body owes the government $38 million. How could this be transparency and reverence for the laws, the Attorney General questioned.
And if you claim in your critical exposition that you are possessed of qualities that you do not possess in actuality, then the government has a duty to reveal it.
The human rights body is adamant that it's up to date in relation to routine, legal, and financial matters. But according to Nandlall, the organization must respect the law and do the right thing.
Then there's a fine that accrues at a daily rate on the directors. It is very simple. They did not file the certificate of continuance and therefore they attracted the penalty.
Antonio Dey reporting for the AGP Nightly News.